Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make churros cookies. First, ensure your butter is softened to room temperature for easy creaming. Combine 1 cup of unsalted butter with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar in a large bowl. Beat them together until the mixture is light and fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, gradually mix in 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt until a soft dough forms. Now for the fun part, shaping. Take small portions of your dough, about 1 tablespoon each, and roll them into smooth balls. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Gently press each cookie with the tines of a fork to create a classic churro-like pattern. In a separate shallow dish, mix 1/4 cup of granulated sugar with 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Roll each cookie in this delicious cinnamon sugar until fully coated. It's time to bake these beauties. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your coated cookies on a baking sheet, leaving about 1 inch between each. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Avoid overbaking to keep them soft and chewy. Once baked, let them cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This ensures they set properly. Almost there. For an extra touch, prepare a simple glaze by whisking 1 cup of powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons of milk and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Drizzle this over your completely cooled churros cookies. You can also add a final sprinkle of cinnamon sugar for more flavor. These cookies are perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. Make sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade churros cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.